Now in my case, I want to also set the price control rule in here. So what the price control does is it actually modifies your web selling price against your rule. So I'm going to go ahead and say I want to activate the price control, and you can say, do you want to target the highest or lowest price? Obviously I want to do the lowest. Then you can say, once you find your competitor, do you want to match their price, or do you want to have a % off their price, and so on. So I'm going to say that I want to have 5% off from my competitor's price. Now, who is my competitor? I have it here as the lowest possible priced competitor. Now, if you want to actually match a specific competitor price, you can click on competitor name, and you will see some of the competitors that are here, and you can actually click on them, and it will constantly match their price every time you run a price control. So for example, if you want to always match Amazon's price or eBay's price, you can either type their name here if you know exactly what their name is, or you can choose it from the list. So I'm not going to select anyone because I want to match any competitor who is the lowest price. And here I'm going to say, what is the lowest price I'm willing to go? So I will say I want to go at cost would be my lowest price, or you can specify exactly the different percentages. So if you know what your discount is, you can say you'll go no lower than a certain % based on your discount. Here you can highlight if you want to hide the product if you can't match the lowest price. So for example, if you aim for a reputation that you have the best prices on the internet and you don't want to ruin your reputation, you may want to hide the product if you can't beat your competitor. And obviously the highest web price you can set as MSRP or whatever it is. And that's also very important because you don't always want to be the lowest on the internet. If everybody is selling a product for $200 and you're saying I'll go as low as cost, it doesn't mean that you have to sell at cost. You can be at $195. So by setting your highest web price, you'll actually have your price increase based on your competitors. So my rule is complete. I'm going to go ahead and hit save.